Imagine finding the perfect house. The location is perfect, the layout is perfect, the price works. You can already picture your furniture inside, and then reality hits. You haven't sold your current home yet. Now you're stuck wondering, can I buy this house? Should I sell first? What if my home doesn't sell fast enough? What if I sell and can't find anything to buy? This is one of the most stressful decisions homemakers make. And the truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. But today, I'm going to walk you through how I help clients here in Bowling Green think through this decision so you can make the smartest move for your situation. If we haven't met yet, I'm Nikki Adams, a realtor here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. And one of the most common conversations I have with homeowners start like this. Nikki, should we sell first or buy first? And my honest answer is always the same. It depends. But by the end of the video, you'll understand how to actually evaluate your situation and build a strategy that works for you. The first thing I tell people is this: the wrong move isn't selling first, and the wrong move isn't buying first. The wrong move is doing either one without a plan, because both can work and both can backfire if they're rushed or unprepared. Let's start with selling first. For a lot of homeowners, their current home holds most of their equity, and that equity is what funds the next move. Selling first gives you clarity. You know your exact budget, you know your monthly payment range, and you know what you're working with. There's no guessing. There's no juggling two mortgages, and for many people, that peace of mind matters a lot. Selling first also creates pressure because now you need somewhere to go. What if your home sells quickly? What if the right next home isn't available yet? What if you feel rushed into buying something just because you already sold? Those are real risks, and they can turn an exciting move into a stressful one really quickly. Now let's talk about buying first, and I understand why people do it. The biggest advantage is obvious. You secure your next home before you let go of your current one. No temporary housing, no moving twice, no feeling like you're under pressure to find something fast. On paper, it feels smoother. Buying first comes with its own set of questions. Can you qualify while still owning your current home? Can you comfortably carry two payments if needed? What happens if your current home takes longer to sell than expected? These aren't worst case scenarios, they're real planning questions, and they matter. One thing that has changed in Bowling Green is inventory. A few years ago, a lot of homeowners felt stuck. They were afraid to sell because they didn't think they could find anything to buy. Today, buyers generally have more options than they did during the peak frenzy years. That doesn't mean inventory is unlimited, but it does mean transitions are more possible than they used to be, and that changes the strategy conversation. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is thinking that this is only a financial decision. It's not. It's emotional too, because you're not just buying and selling houses, you're managing a full life transition. Kids, schools, work schedules, commutes, storage, moving trucks, daily routines, all of that matters. And the best strategy isn't always the one that looks best on paper. It's the one that actually works for your life. I also see homeowners focus heavily on the next home while underestimating the importance of their current one. But your current home is usually what determines how smooth everything goes. Pricing it right, marketing it well, and preparing it correctly can completely change your experience, because when your home sells cleanly and on time, everything else gets easier. Here's something most people don't think about. The market doesn't pause for your decision. While you're looking for your next home, buyers are looking at yours. While you're negotiating on a purchase, someone may be considering an offer on your current house. That's why timing and preparation matters so much, not because we can control the market, but because we can position you for options instead of stress. The biggest mistake I see is waiting too long to plan. Most people don't talk to a realtor until they're ready to move immediately. The smartest homeowners start early. They understand their home's value, they know their equity position, they learn their buying power, and they build a plan before they ever list or shop. That's what removes surprises. So, is there a right answer? Yes and no. Some people should sell first, some should buy first, and the right decision depends on your finances, your equity, your goals, your timelines, and the current market. There is no universal rule. But here's what I can tell you for sure. The smoothest moves don't happen because people guessed right. They happen because they had a plan, they know their numbers, they understand their options, and they made decisions based on strategy instead of stress. If you're thinking about making a move and you're trying to decide whether to sell first or buy first, I'd love to help you map it out. We can look at your equity, your home's value, your buying power, and build a clear path and a clear plan that fits your situation. And if you want more videos about buying, selling, and living in Bowling Green, make sure to subscribe. I post new content every week. I'll see you in the next one.